Angeles Swim Car Wash Man, or Facebook or YouTube. We're going to be doing this truck today. This is a before. I'm going to clean everything you see is going to be clean. He's going to be selling this, so he's going to get top dollar after I'm done. Red oxidizes a lot. As you can see here, this is all oxidized. So this will be polished out, waxed out. It's going to take about 7 hours maybe for this. It's got mold all over it. So we're going to get all of the mold off. There's mold everywhere. That's what happens when cars sit around, and that's okay. And there's more mold. As you can see, this is all faded. We're going to make this new again. More mold. Even more mold. And the car is definitely oxidized. Red is a tough color. It takes longer. Nice truck. It's going to be for sale. And clean all this right here. Look at that roof. See what I can do on that roof. That's going to be interesting. So, see how faded that is right there. It's supposed to be more of that color, but it's faded really, really bad. So we're gonna have to restore it, basically restore this to that right there. So check out the after video and have a great day.